you can say papa na na muni ni gina on ade we wan ana nkomo ben so na na oni mood ha so mi hu se waso Adam since wo ka bom obeso o ka mo bom enfi no ono oni mbra wa bre papa no oni mbra wa bre wo se so Adams ni trim wo trimpa anaso wadwen ohun anase so adwen bo ni trim se bi wo so ye no yonko nipa ankonya de oye no se why papa na ya na adwo so be ka mo bom abra che papa no mu se wo there is never delayed you will never accept the proposal ma papa no nya wo so mpene abaya ye ni pimpini si se ya ni kwase asem te you no abeta so amabo yo oboda mana
yo don't insult him.
Hey, massa, what's up?
Me say yo, who so come in Adams Abomu fine, but don't insult him because you don't know him.
Tie nipa nam ne so ame achi watum de. Eni kwate papa no kura timi frem mu enu gina ho. Eno na mbete chete de oye eni nya asasem ejimisem. Opoku. So ni nyansa na woni masem ni ma. Eni kwate kwachim mu enu kura gina ho.
See, don't insult him. Unim no. Do you know the man?
Nim but good.
Listen. Do you know him?
Na say wonu so nim me. And wonu so nim wo.
Listen.
On dem chanu. And wonim de tuam say Adam Sayo say na say Adam Sayo say. Wonim. You also na kire mu kire say the Adam dey ayo no. Anase bibi say ni bibi say na ekoso.
What's your problem?
I'm very atimagina no tumefo kam bom. Ba empene me de make I
say bro, me can say me or come in Adams Abomu and say but then don't insult him because you don't know him.
Kind of course come to Scanty or Wadrin pa. We kind of correct or Wadrin pa
Adams.
So General Adams
na ma kwan ma o kika we nyi.
Only Wadrin pa. Adams is so wicked person. Adams is very wickedness. Oh no Wadrin pa
because papa when say
obi mpe wasem a so kire nipa na so mpena asem obi tanwa kire nipa na so tan. Respect is reciprocal respect. Also man who so tan na on so tan because you also respect him.
Intention me who say when na me Adam say
o ma re me man who so tan no etese makabo ma be me cry ya e be hime
wo asu
be hima koma
wo aswan
be hime de bo ne de to yourself so boy
wo say onye obibi ade why oden
why Adamson that be the order na me ya me ya we are brothers me ya
Opoku concern it is getting worse so bro.
This is not about concern when you go wow bro. I'm talking the real facts, the real shit man.
I afraid you, thank you.
Me cry ya anyhow. It's my papa no say the same thing. It's papa no cry for better dinner them because onim nyansa. Papa no Jimmy. So come a boom no.
You don't insult him.
I hope Jones how you betting now.
They say don't insult him because who him no. You don't know how you don't even know him. Don't insult him. No any need be na home.
Uti. Yes, the Jimmy say na dey kwase ase no yan fa ma no.
Opoku don't insult him. Na me can tell no because who him no. I'm mother can say. What is that? Nkwasa some coffee.
What why you feel papa? Why? Me tell me pawase na papa tie. Me pawase mo. Se bibi nya wo ho a me na meka me na me nipa metima ka kire. Nya ho sa. Aroma, nya ho sa. Bia ko prison ba man ho style ba ono kwa ko prison ba na ho efe ami ko prison kra me ho time pede why ko nice boy papa we ni pimpini say you abejan ho no mo be kama bom tuma mo pese mo ka bom dabi ka be da me na ho to I was a separation bem se mentem ho ase wanchi ntokwa if I saw me to meet baby and I'm a Tommy and what me from
Semi. Please, I know these days every time I want to ask you something, but this time please listen to me. Please. I heard something, and you being the adult in this, I wanted to ask you. I heard that Adams and Aroma are brothers. And I wanted to ask you whether it's true. since you are related to Adams.
And okay, what happens? Omi for Omi Jama, Papa Bako, Mujabako, and a woman you know. Oh, how partner say?
I don't have any problem, but I just wanted to confirm it.
Yeah.
But Zema, you are wicked though.
I'm wicked, you go.
God will really punish you.
For what?
Because you knew all this and you didn't tell me.
No, can't tell. No, wicked, man. Say, dear baby, won't catch them.
There's nothing.
No, not tell me, wicked, no, me, and then say,
but we are close.
I know my young way, and I ran your way. It's my coach, you say, or we are your first animal day.
We've been close for some
time. Everyone.
Oh, no.
Everyone. So for Robert, I will wow. It's on to Mamu, wow. So for Robert, wow. Yeah, and it's on to Mamu, wow, precious, wow. She said, be a problem, I can't. Why? We yale now turn yale and no draw. If you're sick, you're selling you're sick, you get medicine.
There's no problem.
So what's your problem?
I just wanted to confirm it.
Just confirm.
Yes.
For why?
So why didn't you tell me?
Make a woman I mean just you.
No.
Say a hono a bossy road hono. Tutuka hono. Brunia pump hono. Aka police hono. A hono and I meant just
it's not funny. It's not funny. The thing is, there was a time.
So they know new cat. Hey!
There was a time that you used to warn me about Aroma. And then it got to Scanty. So at the time you were warning me about Scanty, you could have just brought it in, chipped it in that, oh, Aroma and Scanty are siblings. Just that.
So can I ask you a question?
What?
What's going on between you and Aroma?
There's nothing going on. I just wanted to know.
So what's your problem?
I thought it would be nice if you had told me.
Okay, let me tell you, they are siblings.
At this point.
I don't understand
at
you.
This point, but it's you talk a lot. There are things you say, things I don't even ask you. You end up telling me.
That's what I say. What's your problem? If they are siblings, what's your problem?
There's no problem.
So, what's your cooking kakas when you are so precious? Precious, I didn't know home. Who himself will play artists. But at the end of the day, you see, be monkey, elephant be elephant, the lion be lion. And Kaji I am foul, but you see, I'm just a name how precious. You see, school now buy and what is Shana will be sending I am on 4th Street. I am laughless. Huh? Where did you buy your clothes? Where did you?
It doesn't matter.
Now the now which mean now kind of iPhone shout to no sugar out now it is oh kasa. So the ocean glass more red light. It's shining filming you see or red light. But then how? Oh we are siblings. A boy piano.
Where are they?
Siblings. A boy show.
Siblings. Can I mention?
Mrs. Siblings. Minkasa siblings.
What's siblings?
Why is siblings?
Yeah, siblings.
Yeah, just watch them member of her. And then you get to say, I can't do a tree to fufu.
Don't be touching me. I don't like that.
Yeah, quite.
You think I'm like the first years or the newcomers?
Sure.
Don't touch me.
When you're going to meet you,
I'll punch you.
Don't dare
me.
I'll punch him because I'm a kiss, punch him.
Sema, I'll slap you. Stop that. Oh, Sema, stop that. I don't like that. Oh, Sema, stop that. What is that? I said I don't like that. What is that? Are you okay? Do you think because I'm smiling I'm okay with your word? Hit me and see.
I won't say yes. You're telling me the dear bro. Not be rough. Marina will last. What it? Marina will last. What it?
Why you stop?
The Marina will last. Oh, your bar. because I'm a boy, you are my bills are making. My bills are making. We are Yaru, we are Yaria.
Then why were you taking off?
They say we are Yaria.
You talk too much.
And you too, you talk too much. What did you say you too much, you know?
I say you take action.
Yeah.
Take action.
Yeah. Oh, me sure as soon as you see an cocoa, dear, you could bet us in Moody for the amount. Moody for our cock on house in China, Dakamono. You bet the amount of me cum face near big me.
It's good you know. It's good you know.
Why are them for so be bring one? Wahayem paso.
Stop that. I don't like that.
Wahayem paso. Wahaso crowd and paso kasi. Can you give me please? And I'm paying my.
God has really allowed some people in this world. It won't still work unless you do plastic surgery all over.
It's a what? It's a why.
Yeah, me I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so jam me yeah.
To stop all this kind of behavior for us to come back together.
Adams.
Precious.
Why are you still talking about this? I thought by now you would know that there's no way we can be together. Aside the fact that you have 3 girls, you are also Aroma's brother.
Precious.
You are Aroma's brother. There is no way I can date you. I've dated Aroma. We've had our time together.
Precious, I and Aroma's issue, no, it has not been confirmed that much. So don't go there. You don't involve this Aroma.
I heard your father said it himself, and your father knows that you are.
Where did you meet my father?
Aroma told me.
That guy, he can lie. Precious, we are not that close brothers, so we are not close. We are not biological siblings.
Listen, we've already ended it. I've had this conversation with you on several occasions. There is no way I would settle for you again.
Precious, yeah. Precious, please. Precious, please.
Why? Are you the only man in this world? Even just in this school, are you the only man here? There are so many fishes. Like, there are so many people out there.
So, Precious, you knew there were so many guys out there. So, why did you give me the chance at first?
So I gave you the chance and it didn't work. I like what you just said. I gave you a chance. I didn't tell you. I didn't give you for better for worse statements, did I?
Precious.
I gave you a chance. We were working things out and now we know it's not possible.
Precious, it's possible, but you are just trying to end things without any good reason.
Every time we meet, you want to find a way for me to insult you. You won't be smart if you say this. You are not being sensible. You are not being sensible. How can you tell me that I've dated your brother and I've dated? We found out that you guys are brothers.
Precious, I said we are not biological brothers. I and Aroma, we are not biological brothers. So just forget about that. It's some long family, something like some cousin type.
No matter what it is, I'm done.
Precious, I love you.
You love who?
I love you.
You should not love me.
Precious, I love you. Please.
If you love me, I don't love you. I am done. Don't bother me again. When you see me anywhere, please don't stop me. You keep on wasting my time. Don't ask anyone to come and call me. Don't threaten anyone that if the person doesn't come and call me, you'll be the person. Don't do anything. Please.
You see my advantages. Just give me at least give me an option or just give me some chance. Like give me some hope.
The only option there is that there is no option. You can't even be my friend anymore. That's the only option. We are just to stay apart.
Or are you just seeing someone on this campus?
No. But I'm yet to. I'm talking to somebody else.
Hey, Precious. This issue just started like 2 months ago, and we're already talking to someone else.
I'm talking to somebody, and I'm also crashing on somebody. So
crashing on somebody?
Yeah, I'm crashing on somebody on campus, and I'm talking to somebody off campus. You're not the only one I know.
But you promised me some months ago that you can't love anyone or crash on anyone.
Some months ago, now it's over. I can tell that there's no way we can be together. Please, don't be bothering me.
But then I'll kill myself in this school because of you. I would die because of you.
I'll be glad to attend your funeral.
Precious.
When you're ready, you can just tell me, then I'll go when you're done. Are you done?
I'm not done. Precious.
Did I have time?
I'm dying slowly. I'm dying. You are hurting me.
Did I have time? I have your time. I can stay here for you to talk for 5 hours. I'll just be here.
Without giving me any positive answer. At least just tell me what to do apart from me leaving those other 2 girls. Tell me any other thing and I'll do it.
I don't have anything to tell. I don't have anything to tell you, Adams.
At first you loved me and I also love you. You loved me.
Yes.
And I also love you. I still love you. But you loved. So
now
Precious,
it's over. It's over. And then it's not like you have money that I can say that I don't love you anymore, so I'm coming for your money. Right now, if I'm coming, what am I coming for? I don't love you. You don't have money. There's nothing there to come in for. Do you get it? Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? So, like, now I don't have any motive to be with you. Do you understand? I don't love you. There's no money.
At least consider our past.
Which past?
That alone can be a motive to you.
The past where you dated my best friend and you have a child. Oh, I'm not willing to be in that past.
Yeah, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with me, yeah. Me person me come any months with your man.
Adams, why? Adams, why? Adams, now I'm tired of you. Adams, I don't know what else you are collecting in this school. Adams, we are both aware of the new situation at hand that Aroma is your brother. Precious dated Aroma. You also dated Precious. Now Precious has found out she has broken up with you. She is sitting at her place peacefully and you still want to go back to her. Adams, are you done? Adams, don't say that stuff. Are you done? Adams, be careful. Adams, so can't you learn some sense that it is exam week? People are learning.
So what's your problem with this situation?
My problem is that stop following Precious. You are causing too much stress. Stop following. Stop following her.
Are you interested in Precious? Huh? Do you have any interest in that girl?
What sort of question is this? You know that I grew up with Precious. How do I have interest in her? She's a sister to me.
I still don't understand, Yvonne. I still don't understand why you are involving yourself in
Adams, what are you even
issue.
looking for in Precious' life? Adams, Jay, men the nature biom. What's on pill biom?
Have you wish your whole school one? Have you finished solving it?
Adams,
wish your whole school one. When
hey, Adams,
huh?
Adams,
what's
don't start.
Wish will be?
Adams, don't start.
Come.
Adams, who is stressing my life now?
Adam was here and leave you.
We are all aware in this school that you are brothers with Aroma.
Hey, brothers with who?
Aroma. Now, Precious has dated both of you. She has found out that she has broken up with you. Now you want to still chase the girl. What is that?
Aroma and this is brothers.
Yes. Hey, wait. Wait.
You and Aroma is brothers.
Yeah, we are all brothers, just like me and you in this. See, you for son of
No! What can I say?
Now, school more the enemy. No, enemy.
They are brothers.
No, it's not like no.
That way, I want somebody who school one the enemy.
Stop the fooling. No, it's the pen. It's a pen.
It's a book.
I use it to do more. Stop quiet.
One okay can sense I see we cry for home be best for be am can say
That's some big catch.
Opoku no you are
this one I won't tell anyone.
No
me catch no be at it
I then I won't catch you here na won't catch you because of your brother I won't say we are brothers in this school we are all brothers
Opoku we are my bestie I am in it.
See, main country be, but that's opposite country.
One episode country.
See, now make me the paper now.
Real best.
Make me the paper now.
Real best.
Say Maka, na dey wo be yo. Me say main country obia. What is the problem?
Who are you to me? Are we not brothers?
You are brothers.
That's all who you be to charge on.
We are brothers.
Mr. Plaster, Jadia wo chira no na say what opposite to charge on. You are all brothers. You and Aroma, you are brothers. Period. Give me a break. Thank you for the information. Oh, greet me. Thank you for the information. And thank you for. It's higher than trendy.
Higher than trendy is
now, we are making a wobble, Miss Aqua.
Chen. Then time. Chen.
On Chami, I send me.
Opoku, you shake me.
You mean to me, say you move.
What's my coffee? What's my coffee? I say my found. Me need precious as I found. Me need precious as I found.
No. Where do you start in the quiet? Hey. Story.
I'm passing blank country then I want to do. Mentions.
Somewhere in me a four.
Baby catch them. Me co continue. Baby na catch them. Yes.
One cham still. Hey, also one cham. Trendy.
Scat.
Phone BT. We are brothers.
We are besties.
They are not dreaming. They need to. Akawa dreaming a bit. Me pawase. Any besties. Ni dia ni Aroma.
David Opoku. Listen, the massem the chodu no nya no kwan.
They adwene me hunu kura no to wan kan kura metima friend so abodua.
Abon ho dam. Ebe bon wan ndua.
Kan kura se abodua
ho dam. Awu.
Still a honka.
Because I don't know kwan.
We are both besties. Are you listening to me? We are besties. If the truth is the truth, tell me the truth and let me know the truth. Huh? Bestie, they say, oh, unya just any can so just see me sao.
Yo, Opoku,
Yo, they are brothers.
You in trouble. Opoku in trouble.
Akunta.
Makacho sasa emprema konta ka ukasa uka. Emprema konta say. How many times Makacho say emprema konta? The beer ban my dear amount in China.
A teacher is always a teacher. We judge the children, a fellow teacher. So, we judge carpentry workers who papa carpenter.
Becky,
we judge
Becky, Timmy. One customer who can make up as well. May call library. May call library. Until me jam. Who may make up as well library.
I am sorry if I have offended you. Say nyampesa mi kanya say nyankopon Aroma ototogbo so tonsio ene ebo awia no is omen kwala ni mienu nya has come together in common. See omanya aba omuye asudwe bibia ekoso omo say omo say yes, this is my blood with dasipi why there nya oye bia no eye ni so, but it's left with one important thing. Once a noun is a name of a person, an animal, a tree, or any living or non-living thing. It will be some bano. A tuni din fufro. No also a proper noun. And I'm saying maybe two again.
Baki. Kawa bana bomuno. Eye. La kona ye wa way. What's over 200 for?
It has to get a proper noun, as a proper name. Timatuni din for. And I'm saying boy man.
Now if we ask you who will be keka. Awa one shark no. Ojinda na ube change no. Awo yama chance ni 2% yama free na ade dom so so on. Yama free and ade dom so so. So you sharp hurry up what it. So we feel so we sharp on. Yeah, hurry up. Who better say winding? Akra na nyiri juice abre na your friend Adams no. And Scanty no. And I over sister no. E dey akwai. Baki, be very careful, Baki. Wallahi, be very, very, very careful. Be very careful. What it?
No.
One thing I will be changing wine. Aroma ne dia why you be to me changing the thing. But share the one know what's Adams no be change, you know. Okay.
Adams now, I'm talking about Adams.
Don't talking about Adams. Judge your own year, you know. Ah, now they na own church, you know.
So see me too.
Ah, your mouth can na own room na be job so be change you be din. Wo ba to wadin? Ah? I go to deny it.
Now the
wo to deny ha na be tie no.
Say me na me here a Janice say. So I have the rights. I have the power to rename him.
Now, if we are why woman day,
so she said they're not me show
now the woman to climb me boy, and one I will come me boy.
Oh,
now the woman to climb me boy.
no,
sure, Becky, yeah, what it? So I come for money now or trans I are for home. And now I will see some papa, I'm a wobano, or the young day.
it's a baby catch on.
So I come for money in the young day.
Oh, I'll find something proper.
Becky man try what it. I can't come when be what it. What's this you want to we are enough is enough. Oh, yeah, if it's in a come from him, I mean, win share beam because you see, some of it can be a tautology. Your word, your talking, your action, your everything is tautology. It's tautology. Don't catch mafia Thomas.
Ah, but
Mafia no will be a dear casa na casa everything as
but
and no one enemy can be
Rafi
and a dear beam and a dear beam
fikira hina
and a dear beam
awo kwato
in church of Benalo Nazom Maloko church money about at all. At all. Open
nti asema ho na kunta why
me say enye ye tna yama kwana woni Adams no che da nya conversation no o so take an niam granted that
anti na enye
ye
anti na
konfuboni na wo tna ya defo ho ma konfupa beto no no ye ne dey
there was no
Gabriel meba o camera for said the seku na ache o camera for said the we jira ka so kanus John Sadi man ni sa mpaboa na chicho cowboys mpaboa na chicho no wate awe huru twem sise so person to akra ne din meboa o person to ne din meboa okay good yenko ni say akra no me na me hwe na mana benyina dru sa bi
I know
ya bo ka 13 billion fama me na hwe na to ne din why
Uboka
13 billion
B or M
Ademaka M me say B so enye sister B and enye B mo
do you have documents
who baby some me document na educated ben na babuwa obi a woni document
okay good
that's all okay. So what do you mean you court no yeah what do you mean you court who can who baby me some aboka say can you obi ko abeka chem say bra te so who be catch him say do you have a document I have a document so the camera we shall see
yeah me pen kwara me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we me yeah me pese me come
What's happened? Talk to me. Is it about Asantua?
Asantua's problem because I should stay somewhere.
Then what is wrong? Another girl.
Precious.
We have so much problems to take care of now. Talk fast so that we'll know what to do about it.
Precious, please don't be angry. Please. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you some way. Please.
But have you taken something from me?
No. Yeah, let me explain myself. Yeah, so I got into an argument with Adams. Just listen. So when I got into an argument with Adams, while I was, fighting with him, then Opoku came, and when he came to ask us like, why were we fighting and things, and then I mistakenly revealed to him that Adams and Aroma are siblings.
Come on! Why would you do such a thing?
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. That's why I said I'm sorry. Please don't get angry.
Why would you do such a thing?
It just came out. I didn't even realize it. If I had realized it early that it was him, I wouldn't have told him.
Why did I even tell you? So you're a gossip. Did I tell you to go and fight with Adams?
It's not that. Like,
Why did you go and fight with Adams?
He was doing to you. I didn't like it.
So
I was going to tell him that you should stay.
Did I ask you to fight for me? Did I ask you? No, Opoku has heard. The school siren has heard. How are you going to solve this thing? How How?
Listen, I'm sorry. You like just calm down and let's think about
You
something.
told me not to tell anyone.
Yeah,
And then you went ahead. You didn't mean to.
You just came there. You know, it was like in the moment. I was very, very angry. And I didn't realize. And I'm very, very precious.
Don't touch me. You are gossip. You are gossip. Accept it. Because I can't come and confide in you and then you decide to go and do whatever you want to do. Please, from now onwards, don't ever talk to me.
Precious.
No.
Precious,
Listen.
Precious,
I know.
Precious,
don't kneel
Precious,
down. Don't kneel
Precious,
down.
please.
Oh, don't kneel down.
I'm sorry, Precious.
No.
Precious.
I've seen a lot. I've seen a lot in this school. And it's even possible you intentionally did that.
Precious, why would I? Precious,
but you act like
Precious,
it's a mistake.
Precious, we grew up together. Why would I do that?
Precious,
please.
I've taken my decision.
Precious, I'll make
you
it up to you.
You will not make anything up to me. Please don't touch me. I don't want to act this way towards you. I just want to be cool. Please don't ever talk to me again.
Precious, please.
Don't touch me. I don't want to show you the other side of me.
Precious, please. Like we'll figure something out.
Figure what out? Figure what out?
Just like have some patience.
Concern Ibema before.
Precious. So right now, what will I do?
Hey. Opre. Hey. Oba besi a ode bo ba hukunu ma mienu no. Opre. The two couples. Do not go on the whole school no as a record. Mienu mo in the same family.
Opoku, it's okay.
And me for mienu. What you mean me for mienu atwempna pressure?
That's why we are here.
That's why we are here. What is the purpose?
Because you know that you and I, we are more than siblings. We are too close.
Yes.
But you know we are too close, and you didn't talk to me that say you are dating two brothers.
No, you see, I didn't know they were siblings, so, and I didn't date them both at the same time.
You are a wonderful woman. What you have done to this school, you are very, very wonderful. Some haven't happened before. The thing you have done, two brothers.
I didn't know.
So what is the purpose of your camp?
You wanted to keep it a secret and now you found out. And I'm even happy you found out because I wanted to tell you, but...
Yes.
Are you sure you are happy I found out?
Yes. Oh.
Then smile. The smile is not from the bottom of your heart. Smile again. Hey.
So we brought these things to just let you know that keep this a secret for us.
So this is a compensation.
Yes, it's compensation.
For me to keep a secret.
Yeah.
Oh, but me I've removed from my head though. Yes, if not right now you come and remember me. I've removed from my head.
But when I came I didn't say anything. I'm the one who started.
I started?
Yeah.
Oh, but me can't forget a crowd. I forgot him long
Even if you forgot me, reminded you. I'm glad you know. I'm really glad.
Are you sure you are glad I know? Then why are you coming to compensate me?
We are one. I'm glad you know, but I don't want you to tell anyone. Do you understand?
So when I take this, that means I won't tell anyone.
Yeah.
And it is what? A rice and an egg.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, I don't want to take your something.
Take it.
Wake up.
Just tell me
Okay,
that
I don't like
tell
what you are
anyone,
doing.
so that
I won't tell anyone. Wake up. Go and cook it.
No,
Opoku, accept it. It's a token.
Huh?
A compensation, just like you said.
I don't want to take your something and later on you go and sit at somewhere and say that.
Opoku, you won't say anything.
I will
Opoku, you have our way.
Opoku, I will never say that. We will never say that.
It is Aroma perfume rice.
No.
This is Magic Star.
You remove one.
Yes.
Hey, go to me, Jake, see your man. Take and go and put it under there. But is it a cock egg?
Ego.
Eagle egg, and you want me to, and you bring it to.
Oh no, it's hen.
Eagle egg, and you are compensating with eagle head.
Opoku, don't mind him. It's hen.
So a hen born this egg.
First, so what questions is this? Let's just give it to him and go.
Just keep quiet.
I don't say that, Jay. Monko. Oh, precious.
Oh, he's just kidding.
Monko. I said, Wafu. Share. You have grown a temper.
No, he said we should just give it to you.
You are foolish to me, cry you. Are you sure it's a hen egg?
Yes.
And why is it white?
They have ones which are white.
The hen is a white hen. So,
I can find out for you if you want.
So is the yolk inside? Yes. So I can see the yolk. Wait. Oh yes, the yolk is inside.
So it's authentic. So you collect it and let us go.
The yolk is inside. So all of them, the yolk is yellow. So this white one, can I fry it and chew?
Oh yes. It's very nice.
I have never chewed the white one before. Yes.
People like it.
Go and change it and bring it. Go and bring me the brown one.
Are
you higher your voice?
Oh no.
Send it away. No, send it away. You are higher your voice. No, am I your children? You are talking. You are coming to compensate me, but you are talking rubbish.
Opoku, don't do that.
Are you stupid?
Don't mind him. Just listen to me.
It is you that have put my eyes on you.
Yes, do that. Opoku, please. We'll bring other things to this. It won't end here. Okay, I'll keep on bringing you things.